My name is Mingqiao Wu. I'm a master's student of the Northeastern University. This semester, I registered the cs5200 database management system. And today, I want to show you my project. And I worked with my teammates Jia Xinyang. And here is the repository for our project. The name of our project is Online Reading Website. And at first, you can see this README, and there's some brief instruction of our system. In our website, the writer can publish their book or articles, and reader can read the book and like those books. The editor can also give their own comments. And let's go first from the wiki. And here's the YouTube video. That's what you watch now. Okay, for wikis, there are some separate things: the home, design, installation, and configuration as the task applications. So the home page is what you say. For design, it include about UML, and for installation and configurations, and this means how you run this project locally. But now we already deployed on the Heroku, so you can just go to our website. So if you click this, you can go to our website. And the test application is that the things we need for testing our website. Well, let's go the design first. I'll describe the framework of our project. And you can see this for data, the UML. And at first we have some user, and there are some attributes of the users. And for each users, it can follow other users, and for each user, it can be followed by other people. So it's a man-to-many relationship. And for the users, they have three kinds of class: the editor, writer, and reader. Those three class inherited from users, but they have some different attributes. For writers, he can write a book. For editor, he can give for each book their own comments, because editors are more experienced and professional. Their comments will help the writers to improve their skills. And for readers, he can like the book, click the like just like YouTube, and to store what they like. And for the book, they involve some articles, and you can also call as chapters. So that's the basic information about our data design. And for project, and we use the Angular 4 and JSP HTML. And for the database, we use the Mongoose, and this worked with the MLab, and it provides our NoSQL database. So it's very easy for us to use this one. Okay, let's go to our home page now. Now we can see your home page. Okay, the picture already loaded. And for this system, we can see at first we need for most people, they do not want to just register or log in for a new website. So for anonymous users, they can just say the books. Here are some books that are just for testings for book, and also if you click book, you have some chapters. You can see the more informations, but I actually just for test, I just add one sentence here. And also you can see the comments by other peoples. That's for anonymous users. So at first, as a new user, you want to register an account. So for users, you can just register as well, maybe the user one. Please verify your passport. And now we can see the roles, and we can have a reader, writer, and editor. Actually, you can now register as the administrators. If you click the writers, or maybe the reader first, the registers, you found, yeah, you already registered, and you can update your profile now. Maybe the first name is Tom or Tom, just Tom. And so if you see, you can find your profile already uploaded. And now you can see the books. So maybe the Alice book you found, oh, this book's really interesting and you like it. If you click like it and found, it'll add to your list of liked book you see here. And if you click unlike, and you'll find you do not have like book here, and you also can follow other people's. Maybe like see, well, maybe Alice. If you click follow, and you also can see that you're following. Here's the Alice. If you click Alice, you can see the more information about Alice. So that's the reader. For readers, he cannot create a new book. He only can like and follow other people's. And we can use the search book for search a domain. And we use the third-party API Google Book here. And if you click, maybe input the Jobs, Steve Jobs, I guess, search, you can see the provided by Google Books. If you click this one, and you can see this part, the name, the author, the pictures, and some descriptions. And this part is returned by this API, and this actually a JSON field, and this is very normal type. You can see those detailed information. Okay, let's go to another users. Let's go with Alice. Yeah, that's a default. Sorry, Alice. When we log in, we have found the role of Alice as writers. For writers, you have more optional. You also can update profile here, and you can see the My Book. And you can click the Create Book. For some book you already write, you can click here to update it. Let's create the book first. For title, okay, test book. The description for test, okay. You click create, found this the test book. And if you get setting, you can add it. Okay. Testing. Click say you can find this one already been changed. So if you click the book, you will go to the article or the chapter. You can create new chapters here, because for most books involved and composed by different chapters. Maybe chapter 1, here's the number chapter 1. The chapter name is the instruction. And some content we can find this chapter 1 instructions. If you want to update this one, click there and you can delete or save a new things. And because it's we just released this book, so there's no any comments here. Let's go back, and for writer you also can like the book posted by other people's, and for following you just like the readers. And we use the lots of users to follow Alice, I remember, so we can see the followers. We can find those users follow you now, the Dan and Tom. Yeah, do you remember Tom? We just registered. And then we log out and log in with Charlie. I found for Charlie have different parts in the bar, my comments. That means that for editors, you have more experience, so maybe you can leave some great comments, because nowadays lots of people just leave the garbage comments or it's really useless. So we just limit and restrict only the editor can leave their precious comments. So you also have like book following followers. I do not show this because of time limitations. So we already add some comments here, but we can add new comments. Those the textbook I add recently. So you can click like here, same. You can add comments. For comments, you can say, well, that's useful. So if you leave comments, you can see here is your comments. So for other people, if you click the all books we found textbook, and other people can see your comments here. And you also can change your comments. Let me see. Yeah, this one. The Alice book. You can see your, oh, not that one. My comments. That's useful here. Sorry about that. If you click this one, you can add it. That's nice. If you save it, you can find it already be updated. So that's for answers. And then we log in as admin. For admin, you have as an administrator, you can admin other people's and create, update, delete those things. Because actually administrator is still a user, so I provide the like book and following. So if you click here, you can go to the administrator page. So you can see for the user, you can see those users we already added and the book, article, comments. So for users, we can just create user2 here, password user2, click create user, and then you can find this new user. Is that right? That's the new users here. And if you click each users, you can go to their profile page and you can change to different things. User 3, whatever, you can just input what you want. So update users, already updated. And you also can delete user. You can see the user 3 just disappears. And also for the book, create book, and if you have some book, there are some numbers, and yeah, that's for find which book in the background. Okay, let's change some book, maybe this one. So textbook 1, testing 1, update book, so you can change font. You already changed. If you click this one, found this book always also change. And for update page and also the comments, if you click the because article and the book is just same things. But for comments, if you click this one, you can find which users and the content. So you also can change this update. So it's already updated. So you also can create comment just like 1, 2, 3. Also create comment. For article, for book, you also can create new things. So actually that's the 4 things we provide in your website. Please enjoy.